A very good afternoon to all the doctors joining in. I hope you all had a very good Diwali. Uh, this is for your attention. The notification has been released day before yesterday, that is 15th of November. Special stray vacancy round for vacant MD/MS Diploma MDS seats under All India quota and state quota will be conducted, and the details of the seat matrix will be available on MCC website. Okay. uh, the eligibility criteria for special stray vacancy round: candidates who are not holding any seat either under All India quota or state quota will be eligible. However, the candidates who did not join the allotted seat through MCC or state from round 3 are not eligible to participate. Okay. And this round is not for the for the seekers who need an upgradation. No, there's candidates do not have to register or do the choice filling who are seeking upgradation. There's no upgradation as such. Okay, upgradation from round 1 to round 2, round 2 to round 3, it is done. Okay, this is only for filling up the seats which are vacant, maybe of MD, MS, DNB, for the candidates who haven't got any seat, who are not allotted. Okay. The security deposit of the candidates who do not join in the allotted special stray vacancy round will be forfeited, and they won't be able to take NEET PG 2024. So kindly, whoever is participating in this round, kindly note that if you are allotted a seat and you do not take the seat or you do not join, you won't be eligible to appear for NEET PG exam next year. So this is a very important point. Okay, so candidates who are participating should be quite well aware what they want to go ahead with in their life. Okay, because ultimately, if you get allotted and you do not take the seat, okay, you'll be losing on to 2 years. Already 2023 has been lost. 2024 you won't be eligible to take NEET. Okay, so make sure you fill choices whatever are required. Okay, and once the MCC completes its round, the data of allotted candidates of special vacancy round will be shared with the state, so that the candidate who has been allotted a seat under MCC counseling, that is All India quota, maybe for MD, MS, and DNB, uh, will not be able to participate in state counseling. Okay, so please kindly fill only those choices which are required. The first part is, if you do not join the allotted seat, you are debarred from NEET PG 2024. Second, suppose you get allotted a seat in MCC, All India quota, or deemed universities, you won't be eligible to participate in state counseling. So kindly go through the seat matrix of both counselings and make sure whatever you want to pursue all your life. Again, I'm saying all your life. Fill only those choices. Okay, and the schedule is already available on MCC website. We'll be soon sharing it. Okay, and it also says that you should be continuously in touch with the MCC website. So this is the special stray vacancy round schedule. This is All India quota deemed central PGDNB seats. Okay, this is for both MCC counseling as well as state counseling. Okay, the MCC registration has begun. It has already started as today it's 17th. Okay, and the last date to fill up the choices, log the choices, is 25th of November. Okay, and the last date of joining is 30th of November. State counseling will begin from 25th of November to 28th of November, and the last date again remains the same, 30th of November. And MCC will share its data by 25th to all the states. Okay, the candidate who have registered with MCC, definitely all the registration details will be shared with state counseling. Okay, and once the result is out, by it may be by 26th or 27th. Okay, uh, so the results, the candidates who have been allotted will be shared again with state counseling. Okay, So it also says state counseling authorities are directed to conduct the seat processing for special state vacancy round after weeding out of the candidates. That means they have asked the states to filter out the candidates who have been allotted a seat under MCC counseling. And it also says candidates already holding a seat joined through All India quota state counseling, including private deemed quota seats, are not eligible. So candidates who have already been admitted won't be allowed to participate in this round, who are already pursuing their PG courses. Okay. So it also says that Saturdays and Sundays should be considered as a working day by all the institutes, so that the reporting process is not delayed and the admission process gets over by 30th of November. So this is a very good news. I hope there is no confusion in this, and the notification is out. Uh, Already conversion notification from Indian to NRI. The candidates who were supposed to get their category converted from Indian to NRI. The date was from 16th to 17th. So this is a very good news, and there are other notifications also. You can see it on your screen. This is for UP. The date of online registration will be beginning from 20th to 21st of November till 5 p.m. and security money deposit till 22nd 11 a.m. And the declaration of merit list will be on 21st of November itself. Okay. The declaration of the merit list till 25th 21st November, that is the candidates who have registered. Okay. And the choice filling will be from 22nd to 24th, so it will be online only. Okay. And the declaration of the results is on 27th, and date of downloading the admission letters and reporting college is 30th of November. Okay. uh, so the registration fees is only 2000 rupees. Okay. And the candidates who are looking to participate in private colleges counseling, 2 lakhs rupees the refundable security deposit. Okay. And for MDS it is 1 lakh rupee. So UP has already come up with its notification, as well as Bihar has also come up with its notification. You can find it on your screen. And Assam has already declared its notification, as well as we'll just show you Maharashtra notification also. It has just we just got an update that Maharashtra government has also declared its notification. So this is like good news coming in from all the states, that every state is up to the mark, and they are on to their preparations for the special stay vacancy round. Okay. So this is a very good news. Okay, this is for 2022. Maharashtra, you can visit the website. It is already open. Maharashtra also has released its notification. This is Bihar. This is for UP. As well as there's a notification from the CPS also. You can Shri Vinoba Bhave Civil Hospital. And these are the important dates where you can register. The registration has already begun from 6th of November, and it goes on to till 20th of November. And the document verification is online from 21st to 24th, and the results for the first round will be declared on 25th 11 2023, and the last date to report is from till 28th. Okay. And if there are any seats vacant, the results will be declared on 29th, and the reporting will be till 1st of December. So quite a few notifications out here. uh, that is for CPS, Vinoba Bhave. Okay. And you can find out the seat matrix also here. The seat matrix for Vinoba Bhave Hospital for CPS courses has been there. They have Opthal 2 seats, Gynac 4 seats, Child Health 4 seats, Pathology 4 seats, Diploma Skin, which is a non-recognized course. They have 4 seats. Diploma Anesthesia, they have 4 seats. Again, non-recognized course. Diploma ENT 2 seats. Again, non-recognized course. Then they have FCPS medicine. It is a recognized course by NMC, 4 seats. FCPS surgery, 4 seats. FCPS gynec, 4 seats. Child health, FCPS, it's not recognized. FCPS dermat, they have 4 seats, which is again a recognized course. So quite a few notifications. This is for CPS. This is for CPS schedule. This is for special state vacancy round for Central PG DNB state quota, that is MCC, as well as state notifications. And this is for UP. Assam also has declared its notification. So you can always visit the respective websites of every state. You'll find the notifications. And I wish every doctor the best of luck. I hope you achieve whatever you desire. And make sure candidates who are participating in special stay vacancy round, especially under MCC counseling, that they fill their choices whichever is desired, not to fill any choice which is not required, as you will be debarred from 2024 NEET PG if you are allotted a seat and do not join. You won't be able to take a seat. So this is a very big uh, update from our side. Kindly fill the choices which are only desired. So I wish everyone the best of future. God bless you all, and hope to see you soon. God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.